Hey guys, how's it going? How to create contact forums on Bluehost. So creating a contact forums on Bluehost can be done easily. So basically log in to your account and navigate to the page, and before you do that, make sure that you chosen your plan. Just go ahead and click view plans on the official website of Bluehost, and make sure that you choose that plan that actually make it easier for you sorry, to create the new website, right, and start your new journey. So now what you're gonna do after after you created your account and everything, navigate to the page and location on the page where you would like to add the contact form, and then just click the plus and click add section icon. A section menu will open to the left, of course, after you after you clicked your website and went to edit site, and then you will be redirected to the WordPress, and then you're gonna be able to go and edit appearance in your WordPress if you're using, assuming that you're using WordPress. From there, you're gonna be able right here to see this is your website domain, and you're gonna be able right here to see the sections, and you're gonna be able to see the contact form. Just choose the contact form template, and then you're gonna be able to add the contact me button, contact me template, and then you're gonna be able to manage the contact form. Select the contact form and that you wish to edit, and then click the settings gear icon. In the contact form option, menu will appear, and then you're gonna be able to see right here. Once we click on it, you're gonna be able to see you can form an address, success message, and permission message if you want to do that, and just do it on your own time, right? Form fields, you can toggle what information that your form will collect from visitors. Forum address, you can specify which email address you will receive email from the contact from submissions. And success message, here you can set the confirmation message visitors will see upon successfully submitting your form. And permission message, add a custom message to let visitors know they need to permit you to email them back. Once all that's said and done, and click the save at the bottom right here, and basically if you want to check the submissions, you can just go ahead and select the contact form you would like to check submissions for, and select the manage submission right here. You're gonna be able to click the settings, and then you're gonna be able to see the submission form, right? So basically, if you didn't see it, just make sure that you refresh the page. Okay, so if you haven't gotten access to your website yet, go ahead, let me show it to you how it's done, right? You're gonna go ahead, right, website, right, and then you're gonna be able to see this is your dashboard, give or take, right? And then click the website, and then click edit site, and you'll be redirected to the WordPress or Bluehost dashboard, depending on your region. And then basically you're gonna be able to go right here and see this is the Bluehost dashboard, and then click the website builder, and from there you're gonna be able to see your websites and select the website that you actually want to edit. And basically that's it. I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.